How's it going, guys? A lot of you have been asking for new ways to make recurring passive income without needing to spend any money. And I hear you. So while this strategy isn't new per se, I've never talked about this particular product or method before. And to show you just how much I want you to succeed, I'll do the hardest part of this whole system just for you, so trying this out will be super simple. If you're interested to learn about this done-for-you formula, then make sure you don't skip any parts and that you stay on for the whole video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the space where we share the best and newest money-making ideas. And if this is the kind of content that you're interested in, then do make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that we can let you know as soon as we have a new video up. With that said, let's go make some money. First things first, I want you to log into your Gmail account, and if you don't already have one, you can do that really easily, so please go ahead and do that first. So once you have your Gmail account ready, then you can head on over to crowdfireapp.com, which, if you haven't heard before, is a social media management tool that's used by businesses and individuals from all over the world to drive social media engagement and growth. The app works with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, you name it. So now I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and click on Affiliates/Referral. And yes, this method has to do with working as an affiliate for Crowdfire, but with a twist because we won't be needing or using any social media platforms to promote our link. Before we move on, I know you're waiting to hear how much you can make doing this, so let's take a look at their pricing plans. There are 3 available at $10, $50, and $100 respectively for monthly payments, or a little less at $750, $38, and $75 should the customer choose the annual payment option. Crowdfire offers the same 35% scheme no matter which plan your link is able to sell. So let's just say you're able to sell a monthly VIP plan and you earn $35 per month for a year. That's up to $420 per customer in a year's time. And if you're able to book 10 monthly VIP plans, then that would be $350 in your wallet per month or $4,200 per year. And don't you worry, because I'm not just telling you about this platform and leaving you to do it yourself. I'll be revealing all of the actual steps that you'll need to follow to pull this off. So when you're ready, you can click on the Join Now button and sign up as an affiliate. It's a pretty quick and painless process, and after verifying your email address, you should be able to log into your brand new account, which will look something like this. This should take you straight to the Crowdfire dashboard where you'll be able to access your affiliate link, which should look something like this. As you can see, it is quite long, and while it's not necessary, I do recommend using a link shortener like bit.ly because it just makes it that much more appealing as it takes up less space, and it also makes any promotional material that you send out look less cluttered. Besides, you can do it for free and get your new link instantly. So simply paste the link from your Crowdfire dashboard to bit.ly, shorten your link bar, and get a shortened version of your link in a flash. And now that you have, it's time to talk about how to promote that link and start making money from it. Remember how I asked you to create a Gmail account at the start of this video? Well, this is the part where we'll be using it. So I'll need you to log into your account and get to work. And don't worry, I also remember telling you that I want you to succeed, and I did the hardest part of the work in all of this for you, and here it is. So on Gmail, I want you to click on Compose and then paste this template that I've created for you as the body of your email. Feel free to edit it as needed, and you'll find out after you've sent a few of these that the more personalized they are, the higher the clicks and responses you will receive. There are also blanks and parts that you will need to edit, such as your affiliate link and your name, of course, and here's what it should look like. Hey name, I noticed that you have a social media account for brand. As someone who's been handling social media marketing for a few brands myself, I know how tedious and time-consuming it can get. Content creation, scheduling, and posting all sound like simple tasks, but can get pretty crazy when you have 100 other things on your plate. I started using Crowdfire to help manage the accounts I was handling, and I now spend only 30 minutes a day on social media. Needless to say, this has freed up a lot of my time, and I can now do so many other things. Because of this, I am now an advocate for the brand and have been telling others about it wherever and whenever I can. If you're not familiar with how it works, Crowdfire is an all-in-one social media management tool that helps you manage multiple accounts in one place, discover relevant content for your niche, schedule posts, analyze data, and so much more. Their pricing plans are pretty affordable, and the best part is you get to try it out for free for 14 days without any commitments. So guys, this is where the message ends, and make sure you replace the word name with your own name, okay? After that, you can simply paste your shortened link and send the emails out. Now don't you worry, I don't intend to leave you hanging. We still need people to send our emails out to. And because we want to earn the most money from our link, then we need to target people who have the budget for Crowdfire's VIP pricing plan. Which is why, instead of targeting individuals, we want to send emails out to social media marketing agencies or firms that handle multiple accounts. Search social media marketing agencies on Google and you will see that there are hundreds of thousands of them around the world. So you can pick a location and start from there. Remember that in email marketing, not everyone will open your email or click on your link. So the more people and agencies that you send this out to, the higher the number of sales and clicks that you will probably receive as well. To find their email address, you can search for each agency's individual website and look for their contact information that the website is sure to contain. You can usually expect to find it at the top or the bottom, usually in the Contact Us page. Again, because this is affiliate marketing, you need to put in the work today to reap the rewards later on. Imagine the gratification of receiving a recurring income months after doing this simple task today. I really hope that this inspired you and got your creative juices flowing. If you found value in today's video, then do show us some love by smashing the like, share, subscribe, and notification bell below because it really supports the channel. We'll also leave links to our other videos in the description box so you can watch them right after this one. Do leave us a comment to let us know what you want to see next and we'll be more than happy to oblige. Alrighty then, take care guys, and I'll see you again on the next one.